How to enable voice messages on phone. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So imagine this is a messenger or any messaging app. So if you click on or if you try to type on your devices or on your messaging app, you will be able to see of course our keyboard over here. Now there's an option called, or as you can see here, a speaker icon. So if you click this, it will listen to anything that I'm saying and it will put it on our note over here. So if you were typing or trying to use this on your messaging app, it is going to work very much the same as you can see. So it's just going to type in a transcript of whatever you are saying as you go, and if you click again, it will stop. To ensure that you are able to utilize this feature, you might have to go to our settings over here and click on voice typing and ensure that this is enabled as you can see. And then you can just simply send whatever message that you have made with your voice typing or your voice messages on your phone. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.